Listen. Yesterday is the past. Tomorrow is the future. But today is the present. Didn't imagine it would be that fun to be in quarantine. But it was far more than expected. So live for the moment. We don't communicate. We don't get along well. We are rivals. Having that fire, having that spirit, we compete to improve. And we make connections through battles. It's in our blood. The energy. The connection. You wanna know how we rise up? Plug in the headphones and let the game begin. From all over the country, from strangers, together in the quarantine zone, to be partners. Healthy rivalry. Quarantine upgrades us. Be strong. Be healthy. Stay connected. And stay positive. Quarantine in Vietnam hits different. It's not only quarantine, it's a transformation.